Today we are gonna describe what is HubSpot and what is benefit using HubSpot to grow your company. So if you are at all interested in marketing, you have probably heard of HubSpot. They are a leader in digital marketing industry and their blogs, videos and certification course are pretty popular in internet. And well, you might know who HubSpot. The company is a little harder to know what is HubSpot, the software and is and does. There are a lot industry jargon thrown around, and to be fair, HubSpot is a huge platform. It's hard to outline and capabilities in just one sentence, so I'm trying to explain what is HubSpot. HubSpot is a cloud-based CRM designed to help lean sales and marketing teams foster sales enablement, boost ROI, and optimize your inbound marketing strategy to generate more and qualified leads. HubSpot works to help companies market better. To do this, they have developed one cloud-based platform where all companies' digital marketing efforts could be housed. Everything from hosting your website to blogging, social media posting, email marketing, and more, we are combined on one single platform that can be accessed from anywhere, from laptop, from phone, smartphone, and from tablet. So that way, every marketer in company can use HubSpot tools to nurture qualified leads until they are ready to pass on to the sales team. When a lead is ready to convert, they are easily passed onto the sales team for a simple, seamless experience that helps companies turn warm leads into happy customers. This is basically we have to data our company, how many people are working there, a lot of things they have to data us. So let's get started free. Okay, I'm signed with Google. With my personal Google account. Okay, continue with user. Yeah, continue with this account. Alright. Welcome to our Nedisbury. Alright, so we are in the dashboard of HubSpot. So I will show you tutorial to use HubSpot. This is the best tools on the internet for digital marketing. Alright, so we are here in the dashboard of HubSpot. So basically this is the tab for helping the company to help. For the example, the contacts. This is the contacts for the member of the companies, and then this one is the P2P, business to business, companies to companies. And we have a conversation tab in here. So this is inbox, marketing, ads, email, landing page. This is for premium members in HubSpot, sales, deals, and task, service, automation, and reports. So we are going to contacts, click contacts. Alright, this is the contacts here of your company. If you want to add contact your member here, you can create contacts here. This is for manually. You can add, for example, my name's contact. Yes, this one here. This is the contact. If you want to add the task or notes to this member, you can add tasks as or notes here. Create notes or making project with him. You can just add in here. Just click. Alright, this is notes for the Sayuki Faradis. We can go to email, calls or task for him. So basically CRM is this HubSpot can manage your member of your company to doing something this project. So we can create a task here. Create task. We can do and writing with the, for example, low. We can do in here 3 days, Thursday. Just create in here. So this step will be show the upcoming task for this member. And then next step is meeting. We can make a meeting here. So this is basically for member to member meeting. So we're gonna do conversation inbox. Alright, so this step conversation inbox. If you want to make a connection or chat with other members or other companies, we can track here. We can use email or chat, live chat, website visitors in real time. So this is transparent in these companies. And then we can make forms and also chat in Facebook Messenger. So we are going to marketing. This basically is a premium members of HubSpot. Just premium of HubSpot can use this. Okay, we can do in deals task. Okay, so I want to explain see which ads are turning visitors into customers. So we can use and manage all the account from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We can track for all of the social media. You can track in here. We can connect the account in here and see who interacting with each ad, rearrange. So this is powerful tools for marketing. Yeah, this is basically for paid. Alright, so we are here in deals from sales tabs. We can design our target in here. We can winning sales process in deal steps. Build a winning sales process. These are the best way to keep track of how turning prospect of customer, how much money you are making over time, how much money we earn from sales, and also we can analyze which one the products is the best. So we can analyze here. Okay, we are here in the report tabs. Report tabs is for the analytical tools. We can filter all of sales, marketing. If you have sales and tickets that have been sold and offered to a buyer, then this tab will be very useful to analyze the company and what program can be developed in the company. So that the results of the analyze will help in the decision making process within the company, so that company can develop more than before. Okay, so if you want to use all of the feature the HubSpot in here or advanced features, try to switch to premium member with the following pricing here. So we click in pricing and features. Okay, this is the pricing, product and plans. We just use free tools here. Okay, so we are here in free CRM tools. We just have contact management, contact WhatsApp activities, companies, deals, tasks and activities. If you want to more advanced features, you can buy in Plus member. You can use the forms, email marketing, ad management, landing page share. If you want to using more advanced features, try to switch a premium member. The following price for the example marketing here. Okay, the starter packs is about $80 per month. Professional 800 US dollar to 27 per month. Start to using 27 per month. Professional 1,600 per month, and enterprise 500 per month. So you can get all of the material and all the features here. You can use marketing hub starter, sales hub starter, service hub starter, CMS hub starter. This can help your company grow better, increase the sales. This is it. It's all about HubSpot. This is the best marketing tools, the best tools for managing your company and helps your company to grow better than before. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.